Hi guys, so I'm doing another unboxing video today. This is for the new collection that Louis Vuitton just launched. It's the Galaxy collection, and it comes in the monogram Eclipse. It was launched November 2nd. And this is the first piece I bought from the collection. It's sold pretty much online. You can't really get it online. So you would have to place an order with your client advisor. So it comes in, let's see, the dust bag. Okay, so I got the multiple wallet. So this is the multiple wallet. Doesn't that look so cool? I really wanted the pocket organizer, but it's really hard to get the pocket organizer. I was on vacation Las Vegas, and I just decided to walk into a Louis Vuitton store, and they actually had this available, so I picked it up right away because I know it goes pretty quick. The people, they were telling me that they do get stock every day, but the minute that they restock, they sell out as soon as possible. So just by looking at the wallet, this is the front, and it's a little more visible. You see a little more black. It's not as faded into the Galaxy yet, but as you turn the wallet around, the back is a little more silver, faded. Looks a little more like the Galaxy. And this is the wallet. We open it up. Like I said, I've really grown to like this. It's starting to look really good. I mean, it's definitely a little more streetwear now, I think, that they're moving into, especially with Virgil. But the wallet itself has 4 credit card slots, 3 on the left, 1 on the right. But the one on the right, it looks like they could, you could store a little more credit cards than the ones on the left. And there's 2 slots in the middle for your cash. Like I said, this is my first bifold wallet, really. I mean, besides the Pinsay wallet that I have, which isn't really a wallet, but it's more like a credit card holder with a money clip in the middle. I wasn't really a big fan of bifold wallets, but I'm starting to really like them. I'm more of like a long wallet person, or either like a small credit card holder. But here's your first look at the Galaxy collection for those people that want to see it up close and personal. Because online it looks similar to the ones online, but the pictures never really do it justice, you gotta see it in person. But it looks really cool. I suggest if anyone wants to get one, you probably should call Louis Vuitton, or if you have a client advisor, talk to them, because they could probably place an order for you. Okay? Keep posted, guys. I'm going to be posting more videos of Louis Vuitton products coming, so please subscribe. Thank you.